Hey guys, welcome back. Today I decided to share my at-home spa day routine. It's super simple. I don't do anything too crazy. It's achievable, so I thought I would just share it with you guys, especially now that I can't get out to get my nails done. I feel like this is going to be the biggest portion of the video is showing you guys how I do my nails. But yeah, I just decided to share my nail routine, what I do in the shower, hair mask, face mask, the whole shebang. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. All right, here are my tools. Very simple. I'm gonna use this for my cuticles, these guys to push my cuticles, a file, and a brush to clean out the edges. I'm also gonna use this to buff, and luckily I had a cuticle softener, so I'm gonna use this as well. So I have some just simple warm soap water, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the cuticle softener in there as well and soak my fingers. So here's what my current nail situation looks like. Really busted, and my hands are just so dry from washing my hands so often. Like, look at it, it's so bad. So I really need to like moisturize it, condition it, show my hands some love. I'm gonna start by removing my old nail polish, which looks really, really bad. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and file my nails, and I usually like to file them pretty square, and if anything, I'll round the corners just a tad bit so that it's a bit more natural. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that cuticle softener all over my cuticles and then soak my fingers in this warm water for a little bit before I start cleaning out the cuticles. Okay, now I'm just gonna push my cuticles with this tool. Look at how much stuff comes out. It's so gross. So I added a bit more of that cuticle oil, and then I'm just pushing the cuticles back one more time. So now I'm gonna use the buff side and just buff it before I start to cut the cuticles. So now I'm just grabbing my cuticle cutter and gently cutting any extra cuticles that didn't come out from just buffing it. This hand is always harder because I'm right-handed, so it's really hard. I'm also filming this on TikTok, like a way shorter version of it. So I'm trying to juggle two cameras right now, you guys. It's so funny. If only you could see me. I'm like holding my phone with my legs, trying to film. I'm curious to know how many of you guys are on TikTok. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll leave my handle here. It's just my name with an underscore at the end. Okay guys, wish me luck because I'm going in with this bright red. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but if it turns out terrible, then I can always just do something like this, which I know I can do. So let's just give it a go. So first I'm gonna use this Seche base coat. By the way, this is a Dior nail color in number 999. I've had it for so long, but it's still pretty good. Not terrible. I like to do one hand at a time just because I'm not a pro, and so I like to let this dry fully before I move on to this one so that I don't mess up anything. So now I'm just gonna do the second coat. I'm just gonna clean the edges because I kind of messed this one up a little bit, and I'm just using a pencil brush. So I let my two coats sit for a little bit, and now I'm just sealing everything in place with the Seche top coat. Mine's really old and actually drying up, but this is one of my favorite top coats. It helps the nail polish dry a lot faster, and it also just creates a really nice shiny finish. So now that this hand is pretty much dry, I have a ton of oil on it so that if in case something happens, it'll just slip and it won't ruin my nails. So once I'm done, I just put a ton of lotion and then oil all over my cuticles and my nails. So I'm just gonna move on to this hand. Again, this is my hardest, but I just take my time and do a little prayer, you know, to all the nail gods. So I'm done with my nails. My skin looks so hydrated, you guys. I have so much lotion and oil on my fingers and my hands just to make sure that it's nice and conditioned. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I honestly didn't think I could do it this good because red is so hard for me, but I really like how it turned out. So hopefully this motivates you guys to also do your manicure at home. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So before I get into the shower, I like to dry brush my entire body. It's kind of painful, I'm not gonna lie, but I still do it because it's such a great way to deeply exfoliate your body. Deeply, you know what I mean? And it's also great for cellulite because it gets your blood flowing. It's like good for blood circulation, I guess. So I like to do this once a week anyway, but especially if I'm having like a spa day, I definitely will do this. So it's really easy. You just basically dry brush your body in circular motions, just like this, all over. It's a little painful, I'm not gonna lie, because it has like these little plastic looking things that just pop out, but especially around my butt and my inner thighs and my outer thighs, I really get in there and like do circular motions because I do notice a huge difference whenever I'm consistent with this. I mean, I wish that I could use it more than once a week because it's so good for you, but I get lazy and I only am able to do it once a week. So that's the first thing that I do. So in the shower, I like to use hair masks, body masks, whatever I can do to practice self-care and just, I don't know, come out feeling super fresh. So the hair mask that I used in this video is by Living Proof and it's called the Intense Moisture Mask. It was really good. It's silicone free and I really like it. But another one that I really love that I'm completely out of is by Gizu. It comes in this like really pretty jar. I love their packaging. But anyway, I'm completely out of that because I used every drop and it smells delicious, but I'm completely out of that. So this is the one that I'm using now and I really like it. It's just a really hydrating mask, so I definitely really enjoyed that. So I let that really sink in and, you know, kind of condition my hair because I do have color treated hair and so it is pretty dry and thick, so I feel like masking in the shower is perfect. So I leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on what else I've got going on. So today I was obviously shaving and doing a body mask as well, so it was in my hair for a while. So after cleansing my body once, I decided to use this Goop clay body cleanser, which feels like a body mask. I don't know if you guys have ever tried anything like this, but it definitely doesn't feel like a cleanser. It feels more like a mask. It's a little bit like muddy, and so I put it all over and I kind of let that sit for a little bit before I rinse it off, and then I just rinse it off. It smells like you're at a spa. It smells so good and I love this. I'm actually almost halfway done with it, so I really enjoy this one. I'll list everything in the description box so you guys can check out exactly like what I use. I use the Billy razors to shave my body. I love those so much. And then for my shampoo and conditioner, I use the Way shampoo and it's the one for thick hair, so I really enjoy that as well. So when it comes to cleansing my face, I definitely mask in the shower and then I also mask outside. So this isn't a mask, again, it's a cleanser, but it's got AHA and it's basically like an exfoliating cleanser. It's a chemical exfoliator. So this is the one that I use and I love it so much, and I'll just put it all over my face, and instead of washing it right away, I just let it sit there for a little bit, maybe like a couple of minutes before I rinse it off, and that way it really like gets in there and deep cleanses. Why do I keep saying deeply cleanses? It deep cleanses my skin. I love this one a lot. I think that's pretty much all I do in the shower. It takes forever. Seriously, I'm in there for a while. And then after the shower, I definitely mask again, and I decided to do another detox mask because I do have acne prone skin and I can never detox enough. I can never like cleanse my skin enough, you know? Anyway, so this is the Caudalie Instant Detox Mask and it smells so good. Again, I feel like I'm at a spa every time I use this, and it's pink and I love it. So I just put this on and it tightens my skin. It's a little uncomfortable, like you can't really talk or do much because it's just like super tight. You let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes and then just rinse it off. So I love this. Afterwards, you just feel so fresh and so clean. And that's pretty much it. I feel like it's super simple and achievable. And if you're gonna try having like a spa day, I would definitely recommend setting the mood. So just like light candles around the house, maybe burn some incense, or if you have a diffuser and some like lavender oil, maybe that could help just like set the mood and you feel like you're at a spa. So anyway, it's super easy and simple, and I hope you guys will also try having a spa day because I feel like it just puts you in such a great mood. Like I feel so much better today, and I have this like no makeup on, and I'll probably get on stories now and do like a Q&A or something. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini spa day at home, and if you have any requests, leave them below. I know in the last video I asked the same thing, and a lot of you guys wanted to see a morning routine including my workout, and so I'm definitely planning on doing that. And then a lot of people were saying how much they missed my makeup tutorial, so I also have that coming very soon. So there's tons of content that I've planned to film since there's not much else to do. And to be honest, I've been really enjoying just creating content from home because I feel like there's a lot more to do than when I'm at work, of course. So I've been sharing a ton on TikTok and Instagram and now on YouTube. So I hope you guys have been enjoying them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay home, and hopefully this whole thing goes away fast so we can all get back to normal life and enjoy restaurants, bars, cafes, all that good stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye. Today I'm gonna do sort of an at-home spa day. Okay. Produces blood circulation, or promotes blood, I don't know what the word is, but it does something where it circulates your blood. Wow, okay. I actually use the Way shampoo and conditioners. Oh my gosh, why can't I say Way? Oh. And sometimes to set the mood, I'll light candles or put on light, what, how do you say that? What? Oh my gosh. I really want my cactus to show. So I'm gonna do this so you can see my background. I just Googled dry brush and it came up. This is probably a better version of it, I think. Is it? I don't know. Okay, let's do it.